Hi guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today I was inspired to create myself a vanity tray for my dresser, and I decided to use these with some items that I was going to throw in the trash after they were done being used. I was just going to toss them out. So yeah, and it came out so nice. I absolutely love the way this looks. It looks really nice. It looks luxe. I just love it. So I'm going to show you things that I used. I used these two empty containers. One held cotton swabs and the smaller container held some facial pads, and after I used it, I just tossed it in the garbage, and then I thought, gee, I could use this for something. As you can see, the top is in great condition. So yeah, so I said, let me just use this for something. I didn't know at the time. This mirror now has a lot of fine scratches in it, a lot of minor scratches around the perimeter, and one very visible scratch right there where I'm pointing, and honestly I couldn't use it. So as you can see under the bottom, it's in good condition. So these are the containers. I finished cleaning them, peeling the paper off, getting all the glue that was stuck to them. I got it all off. Everything is in good condition and in usable condition for this project. So very quickly, I'm going to tell you what I used. This crystal doorknob I'm going to use as a top or a handle on top of this container. So that's going to look nice when I'm all done with that. And the smaller door pulls I'm going to use as feet under the glass, under the mirror. I'm going to be using some crystal gems right there, the flower gems. I'm going to be using the crystal wrap also to decorate this project. I'm going to be using this tool. This is glitter tool, and the tool has a nice weight, not very flimsy. This is the brand name Celebrate It, and I got that from Michael's, and that's what that looks like. That's so pretty. So pretty. I'm going to use some E6000. I'm going to use the clear gel tacky glue. I got that from Michael's. I'm going to be using lots of glue sticks, and I'm going to be using these two tools, these flat tools to spread the glue. And I'm also going to be using my trusty silicone fingers to prevent myself from getting burned. So right now I'm just going to spray a little alcohol on the sticky residue and the pads that are under the mirror because I don't need them at all. And so now I'm going to apply some E6000. I'm going to start applying the crystal gems. That's going to be the feet of the mirror. So I'm using a little E6000 and a little hot glue just to get the feet to stick a little bit quicker and then dry into place. Here I'm going to start applying the tool to my containers. So I'm going to use a little bit of that clear gel, that clear glue. And I'm just going to spread it very evenly down the length of the container. This tool that I have is like a plastic frosting spatula, I guess. And but I use it for crafting, and it works really well. And so right now I'm applying the tool. I'm only going to apply one layer of tool because this container is not a clear container, so you can see the glitter tool very well. It just shows up very nicely on it. Doesn't get lost in the color of the container. And it went on very easy, and all I had to do was just to make sure that that clear glue was nice and thin, and I just wrapped the tool around. It stuck immediately, and it didn't get wrinkled or anything like that. It just went on really nicely. So right now I'm just trimming off any of the excess that's at the bottom of the container, and I'm also going to trim any excess that I have at my back seam where I layered the two seams together. I'm just taking my time and just going back and pressing into place anything that looks lifted. And here I'm just evening the edge, that edge seam. I'm just going to make that nice and even. I did the same exact thing to the smaller container. This container, as you can see, is white, so the glitter just shows very nicely, very iridescent look. And so I did the exact same thing. After I applied the tool, I went around, removed the edges, fixed the seam. Now this is the top to that larger container. I did exactly the same thing to that top. So for the smaller container, I'm just going to apply some flower gems on top, just to give it a little bit more of a glam look or a luxe look. And that's what that looks like, all finished. That came out really pretty, guys. I really like that. On the smaller container, I just lined the top part of the container with one row of the diamond gems. And I'm going to do the same thing to the bottom of the container. Just wanted to see how that would look, so I did like that idea, so now I'm going to just hot glue it all down. And guys, as you can see, I am wearing my silicone fingers. It really helps. I haven't gotten burned. You don't get burned with that hot glue. So I'm just gonna finish this up, and now I'm going to do the same thing to the larger container. Came out really nice. That's how it looks with the top. So nice. So again, now I'm doing the same thing with the larger container. I'm going to hot glue one row of diamond gems to the top and another row of diamond gems at the bottom. So right now I'm going to take the top, and as you can see, I made a little mark so that I could locate the center of the top, so that when I glue on the knob, it'll be right in the center. So I just used a little bit of E6000, and I'm going to use some hot glue, and I'm going to attach the knob to the top of the container. So now it's time to work on the mirror. So I'm going to just use some flower gems, one row of flower gems, and I'm going to hot glue it to the outer perimeter of the mirror. And it really made the mirror look really cute, really luxurious. Also, the diamond gems are hiding all those scratches that are at the perimeter of that mirror. And I let just a little edge of the diamond wrap hang over the edge of the mirror, so that you couldn't see the edge of the beveled mirror. And as you can see, this is coming out so lovely. And if you can see those crystal feet, oh, it looks so nice. It just makes the mirror for me. So this little vanity is coming into place. This vanity tray looks really nice, looks luxe already. And yeah, that's how it looks. I wanted to show you what the feet look like. It's attached, everything is nice and dry. Came out so nice. Oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful. So So next, I wasn't completely satisfied with the top to the larger container, so I decided just to glue some of the diamond gem wrap to it. This is the finished look. So pretty, so luxurious. The crystal feet just add that right touch to this mirror, makes it look very glam and luxe. And of course, the crystal knob at the top just really sets the whole look of the tray off. It just looks absolutely beautiful. Right now it's sitting on my dresser. It looks so lovely. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section below. I'm going to thank you so much for joining me. God bless, take care, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.